Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IPI. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Never done this one before, but had a bunch of questions on it, and rightfully so. The best way I can really do it, in just kind of, because let's just call an ace an ace here, or a spade a spade. I mean, this thing has been an absolutely monster move, and the one very logical question after this monster move is there really any sort of true power behind this move, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction? Kind of just dead cat bounce type move? Or is there genuine power behind this? I have no idea, but the good news is by using charts, we can make answering that very logical question quite straightforward. And in my mind, and why I love charts, is it's just really one line and one level that, in my opinion, to keep an eye on. And that's right here at, we'll call it $1.65. Why is $1.65 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $1.65. Any sort of closes below $1.65 or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back inside of this range where it has been for literally months upon months upon months. Again, truly strong moves don't go back to where they were, they progress forward. Whereas let's say the price pulls back, not saying this will happen, but let's just pretend, pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have a set of lows down here. You'd have this set of lows right here. And if you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, now the stair steps are still progressing in the upwards direction. And not only are they progressing in the upward direction, you stayed outside of this big old channel. The last thing you want to do is go back inside of this multi-month channel. Again, hopefully I'm kind of stating the obvious when I say that. So this is not me making some sort of rocket science proclamation or I've had of a secret discovery. I would assume that a lot of this is kind of, well, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. So, and that's what $1.65 represents. Now, ideally speaking, if the price can hold up above $2 going forward, that's going to make the chart look the most appealing. But by no means am I going to say that if the price drops below $2 that everything's ruined. Not saying that at all. The key level is $1.65, just because, simply put, that's a level that keeps the price out of that multi-month range that we've talked about. Now, what about levels of resistance? Let's talk some fun stuff. If the price is going to continue upwards, where are some potential battlegrounds at? First area of resistance to keep an eye on, right up here at these previous highs, which sits at about $2.60. You can see this level has knocked it down a couple of times in the past. Not saying that it's guaranteed to knock it down again, just saying that the bulls are going to have to bring their A game to fight through. After that point, next key level of resistance up there at that level, which sits at, what is that, about $2.85. So all in all, as long as the price keeps on putting in higher bases, higher lows, that's the name of the game. By no means does the price have to break levels of resistance tomorrow. Key thing at this point, just keep on putting in higher bases. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.